In this video, I will show you how you can optimize your iPad for gaming. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Focus. From here, just tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the screen and select Gaming. Then tap on Customize Focus, and from here just select the apps or the contacts which you don't want to notify you while you're gaming. After that, just tap on Customize Screen and you can customize the home screen and the lock screen of your iPad in gaming mode. And also you have the option for wireless controller. And if you enable this toggle, you will automatically enable gaming mode when you connect a controller with your iPad. Now after you've set up gaming focus on your iPad, the next step is under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. And from here, just disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. For an example, I will disable this app, and after I disable the toggle for that selected app, it will not run in the background. Just like that. After you've done that, now just tap on Battery, and under Battery, just look for the option for Power Mode. And over here, just check if Low Power Mode is enabled on your iPad or not. If it is turned on, just turn it off. Because when this feature is enabled, your iPad will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPad. So make sure you disable Low Power Mode while you're gaming. After that, just tap on General, then tap on iPad Storage. And from here, just check the storage of your iPad. If the storage of your iPad is full, just delete some data which you no longer need. For an example, you can delete an app or a game which you no longer use, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud and you can delete them from your iPad. And after you do that, you will optimize your iPad for gaming. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.